Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this set right here. I'll go ahead and insert a picture. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do this set. It's super simple, super easy, and it looks amazing. So if you guys would like to watch, go ahead and stay tuned. Make sure to leave comments down below of different things that you would like to see, and then I could do those videos for you guys. Okay, so this is pumpkin pie from Tracy's Nails, and I'm also going to be using Do It Again. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that up here. And I'm also going to be using black from Tracy's Nails. I'm going to put them out of the way just because the light will be right here. Okay, so I'm not going to really prep the nails like I would. These nails, usually for the nails that I put for myself, I do not do I won't prep them the way I prep them for clients or like people who place their orders. This is not the way I prep them. I will build them up a little bit just so they're stronger than these. Our pumpkin pie, and put it down, and then I'm kind of thinking as I'm going of the process that I'm gonna do. So sorry if I seem a little bit like all over the place. And in another video I was talking about how I always jump from place to place. I don't really go in a specific order. Okay, and then this one, let's just go ahead and put this one right here. Okay, so I went ahead and did this. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the light. Okay, and then these gels, they go for 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and put that. And then I do want to tell you guys, once again, this is pumpkin pie. And then the nudish color is called Do It Again. I'm sorry I'm like blocking the light from it just because I really don't want to end up messing my product up just because the light is exactly right there and I don't want it to cure my gels. Okay, so another thing I do really want to mention to you guys is I am so excited because we are finally getting to almost 1,000 subscribers, and I know I have told you guys that we are going to be doing a giveaway once we get up to 1,000 subscribers. So let me know what are some things that you guys want to see in the giveaway. Go off and comment down below, so because I really want to know what you guys want. I don't want to end up just putting a whole bunch of stuff in the giveaway that you guys won't want to use. Like, let me know if you guys want decals and whatnot, or if you guys want some other stuff in the giveaway. Just go ahead and comment down below. I do want it to be a pretty good size giveaway. Or should I do it for someone who is first learning how to do nails? Should I get, I know there's my local nail supply, they do offer like a full-size kit of how to do nails. So I'm like, should I do a kit for that for someone? Because I feel like that would be amazing and it would actually really help someone start a career in doing nails. Or a nail brush, what do you like? Let me know, you guys, just because I really do want to make sure I get you guys some stuff that you really love. Sorry if you guys hear the baby in the background. He is super fussy today. He's teething and it's bothering him a lot. Let me know if any moms out there, if you guys have some teething hacks for babies, just because my poor little guy, he's suffering right now. He's gonna be 6 months old soon, so I mean his teeth are barely popping out. He does not want me to leave his side. He's kind of been a mama's boy for sure while he's been teething, and it's been rough on me because I've been trying to get so much stuff done and it's just not going like how I planned. But I'm trying to stay strong, you guys, because I mean as a mom, you guys, I already know you guys understand, because I mean having to run businesses, if you guys are actual nail techs and stuff, or even if you guys just go to work, being a mom, and everything is so hard. Sorry if you guys see his little fingers right there. He does not want to sit in his bouncer. And stuff without a baby is so much easier. Luckily this morning I did have my sister-in-law over, so she was definitely helping me. So let me go ahead, and since the baby's right here, I need to put this little cover down. I'll go ahead and put this in front of it. Like on a personal note, I know like a lot of people, they might like, I don't know, like a lot of people, they say like, don't pick up your kid for every little cry and blah, blah, blah. Like, gonna get used to the arms, you know, but honestly, like, I'd rather him be able to come for me, like, for comfort, you know, like, and I'm glad that he finds, like, me, like, comfort in me, you know, so, I mean, I know some of you guys might get tired of me saying, like, oh, I'm sorry, like, because my son's right here, I'm sorry, like, if my son's making noise, but I do have to say that pretty much in every video, but it's because he is always with me, and I do not want to send him away. I really want him to be taken care of only me, but I do like that I am able to be the one who takes care of him. Okay, so that is looking good, you guys. This one, it doesn't really need another coat, but let me go ahead and put this in the light. So that's why that one, it didn't get another coat, just so you guys know. So the orange one, the pumpkin pie, it did require 3 coats. I do notice the orange ones in this collection, I do feel like they need more than just the 2 coats, but even some of them, I do feel like you're able to get away with actually having 1 coat, but I like to do 2 just because I don't like to see through the nails and whatnot. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that, just because I know that's something that when some people, it is important to them when they are purchasing polishes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get my black polish from Tracy's Nails, and I'm going to go ahead and get this little plate thing. So these I had got on Amazon. I do want to let you guys know that this is not smooth on one side. It is pretty level, I feel like if you were to try to rock it back and forth, it's not going to go anywhere. So that's nice. So you could pretty much use it for either side. Like if you guys if you guys were to see my nail desk, I do have these as a little decoration, and so this is the way they look on my desk. But yeah, so if you guys even want to use them as decoration, or even use them for rings, like if you guys aren't a nail tech, or even if you guys are a nail tech and you guys just want a cute little just like place to put your stuff, but I just like to put it this way just because I don't want the gels to get in these little rock things because they aren't smooth. And I could just imagine how hard it would be to get come on, baby. I could just imagine how hard it would be to try and get gel polish out of those little rock things. Alright, so I don't know what happened. I hope it was recording, but I think it ended up stopping. But I already started to dab on here. I ended up using this little coaster thing. But yeah, what I was saying about the giveaway, yeah, please comment down below what you guys would love to see. Sorry, once my son needs me, I kind of lose my train of thought just a little bit. So I hope I didn't leave off somewhere that was super important, just because if I did, I'll make sure to go ahead and insert a little area of finishing up that topic. But yeah, I like to make sure that I get all of the nail and get So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the light, and I'll go ahead and put it for 60 seconds. The reason being for 60 seconds is because with this polish, it does take, it's so pigmented, or this one. Ooh, I think, gosh, I feel like I'm in between these two, to be honest. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I do also have them on my swatches, so I might put my swatches up to it. I'm going to show it next to the matte just because, okay, so next to the matte, I'm actually thinking these two. So that's why I love having the glossy and the matte on these swatches, just because you're actually able to pick out the choices that you want and you don't end up with accidents like I had in the past. Alright, so let's go ahead and try this again. Hopefully he won't be a little bit crabby towards me. Honestly, momming has been rough ever since the baby has been teething. It's almost like a constant battle. So I've been trying my hardest just to try and balance everything and make sure to be there when he needs me. But honestly, you guys, you mamas make it look so easy. I feel so bad because I'm like trying so hard to do everything, and it's just, I don't know, it's just been rough, you know. So I mean, if you guys are single moms, shout out to you guys, just because, this job is rough. And, you know, I could just imagine, like, you guys having to do it all on your own. Oh my gosh, it's so hard, you know. And I feel like even with me, like, I mean, my boyfriend, he's gone all day, and then he comes home from work and he's able to help me, but I can't imagine being able or having to do this all on my own. So you guys are like the real MVPs to be able to like do everything that you guys need to do. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and sugar this glitter on. Alright, you guys, so we went ahead and applied the glitter, and now I'm going to go ahead and get my favorite matte top. You guys already know it is Coupa Matte Top Coat. You guys, this is my favorite top coat of all time. You guys already know. Okay, so I went ahead and did this hole off of camera, and I'm going to go ahead and do another one. The bit that I am using, let me go ahead and show it to you guys. It is this pointy bit. It actually isn't as pointy as I thought I was going to need, but you guys want to really make sure that you don't end up going all the way down here, just because that will mean that your hole is going to be super big, and I really don't want that. And crank up the drill just a little bit now that my hole is kind of established. Okay, so that is looking good to me. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and flip this over, and then I'm going to see where that hole is, just because I know it didn't go all the way through. And I'm just going to follow the same hole. I don't know if you guys could kind of see that, but I'm going to go ahead and just go straight through. I might have to crank up the drill just a little bit. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm actually going to try and see if this could go through. Okay, let me see. Sorry if you guys hear the baby in the back, his dad. Okay, so the second hole I did accidentally do too big. I'm hoping that my thing will still work due to that, but I think it should be fine. Okay, so these little rings that I have, they look like this. I don't know the size of them. Okay, so I went ahead and opened this. And then now I'm going to go ahead and hoop it through. Okay, so one is on. And let's go ahead and open the other one up. What those look like. Ooh, so cute. Okay, so with this, I'm going to go ahead and grab my tweezers, and I'm going to brush on my glue. Alright, so I'm using these little tweezers right here, and I'm going to actually apply the resin on there. The resin that I'm using is Montage from Montage Nail Supplies. It is my local nail supply store, so that's where you guys could get it. They also have online as well if you guys are interested in something like that. And then you're going to go ahead and put a dot of glue in the center of this, and then I'm going to get one of my larger stones, and I'm going to put it directly in the center. Sorry you guys can't really see from this angle. It's like the best angle that I am able to do just because my camera is on a tripod. But I'm going to go ahead and put 2 little dabs of glue. I really try to make sure not to be super, super messy just because since these stones are very small, I don't want the glue to be coming out the sides and it making the matte nail look shiny around the stones. I feel like it ends up making the look super messy and I just don't like the way it looks. So I ended up using 2 very small stones. I think they're size 16. I might be wrong. I'm not sure. I need to get a chart of what the sizes are just so I'm able to tell you guys what sizes that they are just because I know it's something that I always forget the sizes and I don't know, it just makes it complicated. So, and I know some of you guys would like to recreate this look, but excuse me. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the 2 stones up at the top. And then after I'm going to apply another one. This one is like a bigger stone up at the top. So the same size that I put in the center, I put up at the very top. And then after, I'm going to just go ahead and detail it with these super, super small stones. They're kind of like in the baggie that you see to the left of me with the gold stones that are in it. So those, I did end up also getting those at my local nail supply, Montage Nail Supplies. So yeah, I hope you guys really go and check them out just because their stuff is amazing. The owner is super, super sweet. I've been going there for a very long time. So I hope you guys, if you guys do check it out, make sure to tag me when you guys do go just because I want to see the different things that you guys got and the different looks that you guys end up doing with their stuff just because their stuff is so amazing. Okay, so I went ahead and put those little stones just on the bottom, and then after I also am going to put some up at the top just to detail it a little bit more. I feel like putting little stones in there, I feel like it really adds more detail in it and just it adds a little bit more to it. And I know sometimes it's super, super hard to work with the small stones, but definitely they are worth it. But again, with this, you are going to make sure you want to be super clean with your glue. Just because if you are not clean with your glue, then after you guys are going to end up getting the resin pouring out and it's just not a good look. I know sometimes people want to over pour just to make sure that the stone's settled in. But if you guys are using really good product, you guys shouldn't have a problem with it, with them coming off. I know with the round back beads, like the caviar beads, those I have yet to find a way to put them on and make them stay the whole time. So if you guys have any recommendations, make sure to comment down below so I could try those things. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this. I'm going to go ahead and do it on the middle finger too.
Alright you guys, since I already showed you guys how I did this right here, I actually wanted to do another one right here, but I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera and then I will be right back and I'll show you guys the finished look.
Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. If you guys liked or learned something new, make sure to hit the like button down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as usual, I'll be back with more videos. Bye!